Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1967 MGB GT that we currently have on offer. Finished in mineral blue, black interior, 4-speed with super desirable overdrive, chrome wire wheels, sunroof. This is a ground-up restoration that needs very, very little to just button it up and finish it. But full, total ground-up restoration. Have a look at our still photographs. It is just spectacular underneath, and the engine bay is beautiful on it. So if you're in the market for a very, very nice final year for the Mark I GT model with all the bells and whistles, all the options in the best colors, look no further, it's right here. 67 in mineral blue, black with overdrive wire wheels. So let's take a look around this car. Super, super good paint, all new chrome. The gentleman was just buttoning this up and we ended up purchasing it. But yeah, everything's new on this car basically. New paint, new chrome, new lenses, new rubber. You know, just a very, very nice restoration all the way around. Wheels, tires. Glass, I think the windshield's brand new. The rest of the glass is nice original. But all new body moldings, all new chrome headlamp rims, new grille, new bumpers, lenses, lights, wiring. Very expensive set of 14-inch stainless wire wheels. I believe there's 5 of these with these Vredestein tires. So really nice, expensive wheel set throughout here. But really lovely car. He was working on it for quite a while, and it just needs a couple knickknacks to complete the deal here and finish it all off. But thousands have been spent on this car. I know he spent at least 20 grand to this point. So yeah, let's take a look at the car's interior. So all the bright work was polished. Everything's beautiful on the car. Slightly upgraded seats with the later headrests, which look really good in a closed car. Dash has all been restored. It just needs a blanking plate fitted, but all new interior, all new door panels. Seats have been retrimmed, dashboards restored. All back here, you can see all the rear seats are beautiful. Everything's been done. New moss carpet kit throughout. So completely retrimmed interior. New door seals. Really nice driver's side there. Now in conjunction with the headliner finishing up, the sunroof needs buttoning up as well. So that's a slight finishing up here. So this is the current metal sliding sunroof. When the car came in, we had a good look at it, and it is missing some items, but what I would suggest is maybe just installing a new sunroof or tracking down those parts. But you can buy a brand new ragtop sliding sunroof in Arizona for like $500, and it's actually going to come all the way to here, so it would be a much nicer, larger installed sunroof on the car. But that's one thing that just needs to be buttoned up on the car. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. I've driven this car, and we're going to do a driving video, but beautifully running driving car with great brakes, suspension, steering, gearbox, engine. Believe me, everything's been rebuilt on that end as well. So completely rebuilt engine, all new brake system, all new brake lines. You can see all the oil cooler oil lines, new radiator. Just completely gone to town on all the mechanicals as well. If you look underneath, all the suspensions rebuilt front and back. Whoops. If you look underneath, all the suspensions rebuilt front and back. And just shut this hood. Yeah, if you look at all the undercarriage photos, you'll see the new gas tank, new lines, Rebuilt engine, overdrive transmission, new stainless exhaust system, beautiful undercarriage, steam cleaned, all correctly undercoated. So very little left on this car, few days work to absolutely complete the restoration and button it up, but not even that. So, but yeah, there you have it. This is a super good value right now for our asking price versus what's been invested in this total ground up restoration. So here it is, 1967 MGB GT Sports Coupe, mineral blue, black interior, 4-speed with factory overdrive, 14-inch chrome wire wheels, recipient of a total nut and bolt ground up restoration. Just needs a couple knickknacks to finish it off, and it's being offered at this very attractive price, and for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Best year for the GT, arguably the best colors, and all the options fitted here. Very, very good value.